Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and cute hairstyles. So first, here we are making a braid, taking hair from the side. We are taking a bit hair, as you can see, little by little we are forming a braid, and after that the remaining hair form the normal braid as we make. And then after you make the braid, just join it with the hair with any clip or any clutcher, and you can see it's ready. Now you can add more accessories to it, like we are adding these red clutchers, and then you can see it looks so pretty. Let's move ahead to our next hairstyle. Here we've made a ponytail, taking hair from both the sides, and then to the remaining hair we are making a ponytail with two rubber bands and then forming it into a bun and then joining it with a bobby pin, and you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a low ponytail, and with that we are just securing the lower back with the clutcher. As you can see, it looks so beautiful, and then leave the remaining hair with this clutcher type thing on the top, and it looks like a cute bun. Let's move ahead. Here we have secured our hair with the pin, and then we are taking little by little hair and then twisting it and then just putting it into the pin. After that we are repeating the steps. As you can see how we are doing it, we are just crisscrossing it, as you can see, and they look so good. Now we are just taking the hair which are remaining untied and then securing them by making a bun, as you can see. Next we have made a low ponytail, and then we have just loosened it and then taking a pin and then just inserting it on our hair and converting the untied hair into a bun, as you can see, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a high ponytail and then we are converting it into a bun, as you can see. Next we are just adding some more accessories to it. Next we have taken untied hair and then just by inserting our finger easily we are making a bun sort of thing, as you can see how we are doing it. Just secure it with a pin as we are doing, and then it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a bun first by inserting our fingers, as you can see, and then we are taking any accessories. You can take any accessory for it and then just securing our bun. Next we are taking a low ponytail and then twisting it and converting it into a simple bun and then putting beautiful accessories. You can see how stylish it looks. Thanks for watching.